Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We'll be tracking a disturbance north of Arizona over the next couple of days. It'll primarily impact states like Utah and areas to our north, but we're going to get some breezes as it bypasses our state to the north. Also, it's going to push in some drier, cooler air, and by the weekend, our temperature is looking lower and closer to the average for this time of year. So that disturbance, an area of low pressure, a trough of low pressure, will be pushing east over the next few days. Plan on some stronger breezes to continue across northern Arizona through Friday, and then those winds start to lighten up as we head into the weekend. But that's when that cooler, drier air moves in. Now, we're not going to see a major cool down, but temperatures will be dropping a little closer to the average for this time of year by the weekend. Now, those winds across that northern half of our state, gusting at times near 30 miles an hour. Again, northeast Arizona is where we'll feel the strongest wind gusts today. In the valley, we're just going to see those winds between about 5 and 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow, similar setup, stronger breezes along the rim and in northeast Arizona, also in the White Mountains, but the valley gets just winds between about 5 and 10 miles an hour tomorrow as well. So again, overall, the strongest breezes across that northern half of our state, gusts near 30 miles an hour today. Tomorrow, gusts near 25 miles an hour up there. And no rain, no signs of really enough moisture or any disturbances moving into our state to bring us those rain chances. So the 7-day forecast looking dry, and I've looked beyond the next 7 days all the way through the end of the month and still not seeing any promising signs of those rain chances. So in the meantime, hot and dry today, although not as hot as yesterday. A high of 95 degrees today in Phoenix. That still puts us, though, above the average for this time of year. 90 is now our average. We'll be 5 degrees above that average now. You'll notice a lot of mid-90s across the valley. Also mid-90s to our south in Tucson and to our southwest in Gila Bend. 80 today in Sedona. Highs in the 70s in Show Low and upper 60s for highs in Flagstaff. Tonight, those temperatures drop to near freezing in Flagstaff for an overnight low, and by tomorrow morning, you'll walk out the door to 40s and 50s from Kingman to Sedona to Payson, even into Globe. Here in the valley, we'll be cooling into the 60s by tomorrow morning, with Phoenix dropping to 65 degrees. So it's going to be a bit of a cooler start tomorrow, a pleasant morning across the Valley of the Sun, and notice that temperatures will continue trending down as we head towards the weekend. A high of 92 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday. Those mornings in the 50s and 60s. A few more clouds by early next week, with temperatures warming back up into the mid-90s as we head into Monday and Tuesday.